This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. Hey guys, it is January 15th, 2019. This one here I got a call for a gas furnace on the second floor not working properly or not heating the second floor. He said it was a Goodman, but I'm on my way over there now and see what's going on. I think it's gonna be in this area. It's gonna be propane because there's no natural gas out here. It might be a propane unit. But we're on our way over there and see what we can do for the guy. See if we get it going. Can't stop a Goodman, mama. Can't stop a Goodman. You said you got the thermostat calling?
I do. Flip that switch back and forth and see that it fires up right here.
Whoa. How come they got the burner covers off? I mean, that's weird. It will fire up.
Well, cycle that. Right here. Can I do this?
Go ahead. It's a high efficiency unit. No, that's just the burner. I mean the blower. I don't. Oh, it might have a bad igniter or something. Well, the fan's coming on, but that's it.
I actually, when I did it the other day...
Did the flame come on?
It did. But then it died probably after about 15-20 seconds.
Alright, well, let's see if it glows.
And that grate was off. I got my
It did fire up last time you said? Yeah, maybe the igniter's bad. Could be that. You said you got oil. You got gas in the tank, right?
Oh yeah. Downstairs is working, like I said. All the stoves, hot water heater, propane.
We'll see if the igniter's bad. It seems to be okay.
That vent couldn't be clogged, could it?
Anything's possible at this stage of the game. right?
Yeah.
Let's see if we're getting 110 there. We fire it up. Got a bad igniter there. I should have that in the truck.
Ah, sounds good. My wife will be here till you finish.
Oh yeah, no problem. Looks like it's got a bad igniter there. We'll put a new igniter in, fire it up, see what happens. That's a Goodman. Can't stop a Goodman. You can't stop a Goodman, mama. Jantrol, same thing. Jantrol. He says it fired up. I don't look like it fired up to me, but see if we can get that out of there without making a mess. It looks like it's got a crack in it. See it? Put a new one in and try it. Looks like it's got a crack in there. There we go. It's a Goodman. That should be the one. It's the one right there, and it's got. That's the one I need right there. I'm pretty sure. I'll make sure it's good before I walk all the way upstairs. I got a couple of more good ones, Goodmans. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's my friend. That's my buddy. That's my buddy, Miss Molly. Yeah, that's my buddy. Pull it out and check it. Make sure it's good. That's the one. Comes with extra wire nuts in case you got a different connector on there, but that's the one. Try it out. So we'll put the new one in there. Try to get it in there without breaking it. That's the biggest thing. Don't want to break it. It breaks easy. It'll break easy. I'm gonna clean the flame sensor while I'm here too. So we can go in one way. We'll clean the flame sensor. Hopefully I'm not blinding you guys. We're gonna clean this flame sensor while I'm here too. Didn't fire up for me though, so I'm thinking it's the igniter's bad. So I was getting 110 to it and didn't glow. It's an older system, it's been in a while. See, it's kind of dirty. We'll clean that. I did kind of bring up what I thought I needed here, and it's worn out sand cloth. Don't look so bad, but let's see if it fires up. He says he's got propane because everything else is running. It's starting to glow now, looks like. There it goes, it's starting to glow now, see it? Should fire. No? I don't know if you can see that cap, but it's got some cracks on it, so I'm going to tape it up. It's got some cracks on it. Let's put some tape on there to make it tighter. Take up those cracks. I did clean this vacuum port. I know we're getting 110 to this thing because I did test it. It's starting to glow there, see it? I don't know if we're getting any gas to this thing. Gas valve there. Got a bad gas valve. As long as we got propane here. Looks like we got a bad gas valve. Yeah, I did check. Nothing was tripped out. I checked all the rollout switches. Nothing was tripped. I'm getting 24 volts, but no. The gas is on. He says he's got gas everywhere else, so we got a bad gas valve there. We'll put this one in there. All right, and we'll put that one on there. Put that one there. Put that one there and that one there. Once it goes through the glow, we should have 28 volts here, and the gas valve's not opening. See, it's going through its glow. There we go, 28 volts. Not firing. See it? Should be gas pouring out of there. Nothing. We got a bad valve, or no gas. One of the two. But he says he's got gas. But I'm gonna go double check it. Hey guys, I put a new adapter on there, and we're gonna shut it off and check it. Make sure we got gas. It's propane, so we'll disconnect it right there. We'll open it and see if we got propane. Man, that sucker's on there. Wow. Holy shit, mama. Wow. Holy shit. Talk about being on there. Yeah, there's gas. There's gas there. There's gas. We got gas, so that's not a problem. Alright. So we need a new gas valve. So yeah, we need a new gas valve, that's all. She's glowing red, but she's not firing, so we need a new gas valve. I'll put new adapters on there. So we're getting 28 volts here with the gas valve. We've got gas coming in, 28 volts, but she's not firing. So look at that gas valve. This thing did look questionable, so that's why I changed that. A bad gas valve there. We'll get a new one, that's all. Call it in and get a new one. It's blowing. It should fire. Yeah, bad gas valve. Oh well. We'll call it in, see if we get another gas valve and a propane kit for it and put it in. Got heat on it first, so it's not really that cold up here. I did order the parts, and they should be coming in a couple of days. They gotta ship them to another store, and I'll come back. Hey, Miss Molly, how's my buddy doing? Huh? Want to go to the next job? You want to go to the next job? All right, push over. Push over. You gotta make room for me. Gotta make room for me. Oh, I know you missed me. You missed me. Oh, I know it. I know it. Push over. Come on. Push over. All right, guys. Just left that job. It needs a new gas valve over there with a propane kit, and they don't have it in stock on the local store, so he's gonna bring it in from another store. Once he gets it, he's gonna call me and I'll go pick it up a couple of towns over and swap it out. It's not really that cold up there because the heat from the first floor is going right up there, so it is what it is. Needs the propane kit. The spring is different in the propane kit. So when I put that gas valve back on, I'll put those little those sleeves back on the gas burners. I'll just open them up all the way. I don't know why they had them out. Makes sense. Put a new connector on a gas valve just to make sure that wasn't the problem. The connector wasn't bad, but I'm getting 28 volts there at the gas valve. I did change the igniter because it had a white line on it, which is just a matter of time. If, you know, that was definitely questionable. So we'll leave the new one in there and we'll get him a new gas valve. It's gonna be two-part. I mean, I'll do probably put this video together, and when I swap out the gas valve, I'll do another video on that.